It's Saturday morning and I've been out of the parts store gathering some lug studs. Here. And today we're going to re-drill these hubs to 5-lug pattern instead of 4-lug. These are for Project Phoenix. I got to clean them up and drill the rotors, put in hubs. We're going to press studs in today. Let's see what we can get done. And at this point, we got our hubs pressed out of the bearings. We got our bearings pressed out of the spindles. These are obviously going to need to be cleaned up quite a bit. They were out of a northern car, you know, a Rust Belt state car. So they're not in the greatest condition. But right now, let's jump over and start drilling some hubs. Alright guys, so now we got our original Geo hubs, which these are 95 up or convertible for pre-95 stuff. Got them re-drilled 5-lug, got studs pressed in, got the rotors re-drilled, the 5-lug pattern, got the new wheel bearings pressed in, hubs pressed back into the bearing. It's all cleaned up. I did remove the dust shield. Right there's the rotor. But if you feel like you're going to do something like this, there's not a whole lot of metric wheel studs in a 12-150, which is a little different but more common than the Geo stuff. This is the wheel stud right here I used. I'm going to show it to you here in just a second. This right here is like a couple bucks at the parts store. I bought 12 of them instead of 10, just in case I messed any of them up. But basically, it's the closest thing you can get that don't have much of a big knurl on it. And that's super important, especially when you get here and there's not a lot of meat on this outside edge, which there's not on the factory either. This pattern's the same. It's a 4.5 inch bolt circle, this 5-lug. Instead of being like 4 by 4.5 or 4 by 114.3. No, it's 5 by 114.3 or 5 by 4.5. So that'll work right there. I guess I get home if it's not too dark, which is starting to get dark now. It's about, like I said, it's about 5:30. If it's not too dark, I'm going to clean these up and paint them, and I'm going to go out there and pull the other 2 wheels off Pontiac. We can get the front wheels mocked up and see where we're at. So, but for today, this is going to be the end of this video. You know, if you like low budget stuff and, you know, doing this stuff yourself with, you know, antique equipment and stuff you got laying around, and, you know, cheap new stuff, you know, hit that subscribe button down there and be sure to like, share with your friends, and, you know, I'd really appreciate it. See you tomorrow. Alright, I'm just going to pop back in here. This is after the video here. Just got back home a little while ago. I finished cleaning this stuff up. I painted the spindles black, just with some rust enamel. Just sprayed the rotors with a little primer. I'll clean the pad surface. I'll probably take and get them turned. just so I can get this stuff on there tomorrow. Or at least mocked up on the car. But, you know, probably won't be long. We're going to get ready to start doing some body work here and some other stuff. So, like I said before, you like this low budget stuff, as you can see, you know, I'm not rich by no means, guys. But if you like low budget stuff, hit that subscribe button for me. Thanks.